Hey everyone, welcome back to MP Codes. In this video, I'll show you how to create a high-quality faceless YouTube video using InVideo AI and OpenShot Video Editor, all for free and with no watermark. Step 1. Generate a video script with ChatGPT. Head over to ChatGPT and generate a YouTube video script on any topic as you like. For this demo, I chose Top AI Tools for Coding in 2025. Step 2. Use InVideo to turn script into video. Go to InVideo website and log in. Click on Use My Script. Paste your video title, Top AI Tools for Coding in 2025, along with the full script. Hit Generate Video. Let the AI create the video for you. It'll take a few moments. Note: the free version includes stock and branding watermarks. Download the generated video once it's ready. Step 3. Remove watermark using OpenShot. Now let's remove the watermark. Open your OpenShot Video Editor. Then, import the downloaded video into the editor. Drag it to track 1, right-click, then click on Separate Audio, then select Single Clip. Delete the video track and keep the audio. Now the voiceover is clean and watermark-free. Step 4. Add your own visuals. Go to sites like Pixabay or Pexels and download free stock clips related to your topic. Import these videos into OpenShot and arrange them to match your voiceover. Once everything looks good, export the final video in your desired quality. You now have a high-quality, faceless YouTube video with no watermark, made entirely with free tools. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.